Hello everyone, Darth Vegan here from the train on the way to London, and I'm going to be joining the Animal Rights March from Smithfield, which is a meat market, and if you don't, and it's all being organised by Animal Rebellion, which if you don't know what that is, then it's a branch off of Extinction Rebellion, and if you don't know what that is, then where have you been? So yeah, anyway, I've got here my flag. It's the flag of the vegan movement, of course, the official one. And yeah, so I will see you in London. Right people, I'm here in London, and I've made a sign, no excuse for abuse. My flag is just doing weird things. So yeah, I arrived an hour late, but hey, that's just normal for me. So yeah, I'll just go. Oh, I mean, there's people there, and yeah, I'll join the protest. So. Oh, here we go. Wow, there's a lot of people. Lots of flags. Yeah, this is amazing. Really, it's a carnival, especially with those drums. Wow, this is amazing turnout, people. Oh, some guy blowing a whistle now. This is quite something. Woo! Okay, so there's an air raid siren now. I guess because it's an emergency and that there's a climate crisis, and yeah, it's an air raid siren. But anyway, yeah, we're just standing here at the moment, and yeah, we'll probably get going at some point. I don't know, maybe. Okay,
hi
people. I'm here with Hench Herbivore.
It's me, Hench Herbivore from the internet.
Yay!
Like and subscribe. Woo!
Yeah, he's a friend of mine.
Yeah, we're mates. We go way back.
Yeah.
Yeah. We used to play snooker and that, or whatever.
No.
We didn't really.
No, not really.
We used to do vegan stuff.
Yeah, used to do vegan
all
stuff.
All the vegan stuff.
Yeah, all the vegan stuff.
You having a good day?
Yeah.
It's nice to see so many people who give a F, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very inspirational.
Mm.
I love it.
Animal abuse! Oh god. More abuse. For animal abuse! Just like us. Just like us. Oh, that's quite some flair. Just like us. But did he just say plants? Like us. Just like us. Like us. Just like us. Go vegan, go vegan, go! Go vegan, go vegan, go! Okay, so somehow I've managed to make it to the front of this protest here. We're not sure where to go, to be honest. I mean, I don't know which way they're planning to go. I mean, I'm hoping the police are clearing the way for us, but I don't know. Anyway, just showing you these lovely people and their signs.
Biodiversity that suffers to feed chickens, but the oceans too. Each broiler chicken eats 2 to 3 small fish each. So a normal broiler farm can eat up to about 5 million small fish. And it doesn't matter how small you are, the pain for those animals is exactly the same. If you... Thank you for the animals. If you add up all the soil being made meal fed to livestock associated with deforestation, it adds up to all those who eat meat, dairy, fish, to about a tennis court each of rainforest ecocide. As livestock farms both concentrate and intensify, which they're doing in parts of the UK, the land available within an economic distance to spread all the waste they produce shrinks with it.
Of course, it wouldn't be Extinction Rebellion
slaughter is a lie.
if it wasn't for a giant pink octopus.
Human slaughter is a lie.
During a trip to Sierra Leone on a project to introduce fish farming to rural communities, I made a decision that changed the direction of my life. As I sat with my colleagues, discussing poverty over an expensive meal in a 5-star hotel, the cliche of a development worker, might I add, I realised that I couldn't do this anymore. I realised that my life was no longer aligned with my values, and I realised that the development industry, which in a deeply colonial way was spreading animal farming and fishing in the name of development, was a world I no longer wanted any part of. So that day I decided to end my career. And when I look back at my previous life, I wonder if I would have come to this decision sooner if the animals that I was helping poor farmers to exploit were cows or pigs rather than fishes. After all, it's easy to focus on the cute animals who seem more like us. And it's easy to forget fishes when we are far from their habitats, when we can't understand their facial expressions, and when we cannot hear their screams.
This horrendous project is carving through the country and breaking up their natural habitat all the time, and of course polluting the land as well. So if we want to eat in the future, the land is being lost because our wildlife aren't being able to carry out what they normally do. I'm sure there's much more I should say, but you get the picture anyway. And on the 9th of September, that's Thursday the 9th of September at 9 a.m, we are forming groups along the line, hopefully at places like Scrubs, Euston, Wendover, Northamptonshire, Warwickshire and Staffordshire, to do a demonstration like this for the local people who haven't been heard. We've been writing to our politicians for like 11 years and they just carry on with this horrendous project. Obviously,
of work of those individuals, those animal rights activists who are out there in the fields right now, protecting animals with their own bodies, risking their personal injury and sometimes even death. In the past few years, we've lost quite a few of these individuals. Let's honor their work and let's send them love and respect and gratitude. Today is a day for the animals, which it should be every single day. Animals and non-living beings form over 99.9% of all living beings on this planet. How grotesque it is that less than 0.01% of all individuals who live on this planet exploited, damaged, and took away the future possibility of existence for all of those beings.
Okay, people. So I'm here at Flipside, which is a vegan restaurant, and they've given me a burger. Yeah, they couldn't really give me anything else because basically people earlier, they came in and basically raided their supplies. So basically, yeah. So the the train ride down was quite chaotic. Yeah, it's story time. So the train was quite chaotic. Basically, it started off with the first train having only 4 carriages and not stopping in my hometown, so I had to go to platform 3 to get the one that arrived 11 minutes later, or left 11 minutes later. That the toilets didn't work, and also that got packed. So anyway, I'll show you a clip of that now.
We get a private suite as well.
Yeah, I know. It was... Yeah, but anyway, I don't know what else I have to say. It's been nice getting out and meeting some people, especially Hench before, and also the pink octopus. He was such a character. But anyway, after this I'll be getting on the train up to Lowestoft, where I'll stay for the next week. So as always, thank you for watching and goodbye.